Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to edit your gradients in Adobe InDesign. So now open your InDesign software and follow these simple steps. In this example I'm going to show or to start with the shape so I can start a gradient and show you how to edit this gradient. But first you will need to have like the colors swatch or the colors panels here in your workspace. Basically I do not have it here, so simply I need to go to the window tab and search for the color, and here either you will just click the Adobe color themes, or you can just add the gradient tools and the color tools because they are the most important here. So I will just click on the color and go back and add my gradient tool or gradient colors. So now I have these two options. You can also add swatches if you want to have like predefined colors like this, or you can just start and making your own colors by clicking on the color space view, and you will find all your colors that you want here. So basically now I'm going to use the selection tool and select my shape. Go to properties, make sure that you are on the fill color, so you are using the fill, and now you go in to fill your color, or you fill your shape with the color that you want. Now we want to add like a gradient, so basically I'm going to click on the gradient tool, and you can have click on the gradient, click the frames here and give them a color. You can give them any color from here and click on OK. So we go back here and we give them any color we want, and we will have it here in the frame. So basically now you can start adding or filling your gradient. So give it, for example, white, make it white. Now let's just have it white, and you can add other frames for your color, so you can change like the gradient color. You can do like this. You can have other gradients here. If you click away, you click in this tab or in this bar of gradients, or you can delete a frame by just dragging the frame away of your tab. So basically your mouse is here now, your cursor mouse, just take it off away and you will have change your frame. So basically you can adjust like the gradients or degree of gradients. You can change the color, you can add mini frames, so you can have like colorful gradients. Let's take this away, grab it, this one here, let's give it this color, add random colors here, and you can like have this combination of gradients. You can have it like this. Also you can change like the type of gradients, radial or whatever. So basically you can go back to any time at any time to your shape, and you can change your colors, gradients. And as you can see, I was deselecting my shape, and I will just select it and make sure that you have your panels here, the gradients and color panel, and you will be able to edit your gradients in Adobe InDesign. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.